Alright everyone, sorry for the way that I talk, I just had 2 teeth pulled. So let's get to this then. I turned on my message volumes and stuff, I think, so maybe I won't have to talk so much. And you guys can just see how my level kinda plays out. There are still quite a few things that need to be worked on. Some of my scripts, I couldn't quite get them figured out during the last class. So there's some tokens and stuff in the grass that need to be collected, and some other things, so just make sure you look around really good. Oh, my boxes fell. There we go. So what you're wanting to do is, well, you can't see my buttons very well. This is a fuse box, so you're going to want to find the fuses that go here. And they're hidden around here. Oh, my door's out of whack. There is a mirror maze that I haven't quite got the mirrors figured out yet. Dang, that's supposed to be a tiny little health pack there. Let's see, did I miss one? I think I missed one already. Oh, yep, there we go. There it is. And, okay, there we go. Flip the mirror up. No, don't flip around. Up. Anyway, you're supposed to pick up the mirrors and put them in their little holders there. Once all of the mirrors are in their holders, then a trapdoor at the end of the maze will open. There we go. And a mirror. So I haven't quite been able to get my scripts figured out as far as making the mirrors act like switches to open the door. Ta-da! There's a fuse. And once all of the mirrors are put in their holders, then that should open the door. And then once you collect all of the fuses, you come back to the fuse box, which is right here, and activate it. Ta-da! It opens this door. Alrighty, the water is toxic. You're going to want to get that item up there, so you have to stack quickly. Oh no, not the one I'm standing on. Come on now. Sorry, I'm still trying to figure out exactly how this grapnel works. It's very complex. No, you stinker. Okay, here we go. Get up there and stay up there. As long as I don't die down here, I'll be alright. Yay! Boink. Crap, I died. Yeah, my health bar isn't really showing that great either. No! Oh, I've already done that. I don't have to redo it again. So, you can move these to stay out of the water. Alright, get out of there. Don't die, don't die. Whew. Alright. And the whole object of this was that the Bastion wanted a way to make cotton candy anytime they wanted it. So your scrapper is collecting bits to assemble a cotton candy machine, basically. Get up in there. Oh, there you go. Then once you collect all of the pieces to the machine, and all 10 tokens are collected within the game, this little box is supposed to trigger an explosion that opens up to the end of the next level, or beginning of the next level, end of the game, credits roll, whichever. So, yeah, that's my level. Thank you guys. Sorry if I talked kind of mumbly. And yeah.